Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set the best possible settings for exporting Instagram Reels from Filmora. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this blog you see on my screen right now, and this is for Premiere Pro. However, the same options are pretty much good across the board for all editing software. Now, I'll mention the most important parts that you should set up in Filmora. If you have the format, you should select H264, and the preset should be adaptive high bitrate, but that is maybe not available within Filmora. Now, what is available and what you should set: the frame size should be 1080p vertical or 1080 by 1920. The frame rate should be 30 fps, and that's pretty much the most important part of this. Now you can set all the other options as well. Render at maximum depth is also one of the most important settings, and maximum render quality is also what you would like. And other than that, you have a couple of different settings. For bitrate, you need to make sure bitrate encoding is VBR2 pass. Target bitrate is 20 megabits per second, and maximum bitrate is 24. For the encoding, you should set software encoding if that's well available for you. Profile should be main level 4.1, and expert color space should be Rec 709, which is important. And that is pretty much it. Other than that, you have some other audio settings, such as the format encode, which should both be ACC. Sample rate is 4800 hertz. Channels should be stereo, and bitrate should be 320 kilobits per second. And that is pretty much it. As long as you use any of these options that are available in Filmora or in any other editing software, that's going to provide you with the best possible result for Reels, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.